If you skip this in the first few days, your tomatoes will never reach their full potential. Ever since I started using this mixture, the difference in yield and size was obvious from the very first season. But there's one small detail that almost no one uses, and that's exactly what triggers the entire growth process. So stay until the end because I'll show you the exact order. Before we start, tell me in the comments which tomato variety you grow the most and why. Let's begin with the first ingredient, which seems very simple but makes a huge difference. Take 1 tablespoon of yogurt and add it to half a liter of lukewarm water. Yogurt is full of beneficial bacteria that help activate the soil and make it more alive. When that happens, the roots start working better and absorb nutrients more efficiently. In addition, these bacteria create an environment where harmful fungi and diseases struggle to develop. That means your plant has better protection from the very beginning and a more stable growth. And that's already an advantage you'll notice later. Now comes the ingredient that most gardeners skip, and it's the one that makes the biggest difference. Add 2 tablespoons of worm castings. This is one of the richest natural sources of nutrients. It contains everything the plant needs for strong growth, but most importantly, it improves soil structure and helps retain moisture. Once you add it, the roots begin to spread faster and deeper, making the plant stronger and more resilient. That's why seedlings treated with worm castings look healthier and more developed in a short time. But what comes at the end actually protects the plant when it's most vulnerable, and that's where most people make a mistake. Before I show you the final ingredient that completes the whole process, if you want more proven tips like this, subscribe to the channel because we share unique advice every week. Finally, here's the ingredient many people underestimate, but it's key for protecting the plant. Add half a tablespoon of neem powder. It acts as a natural protection against pests and diseases without any chemicals. Neem helps the plant stay healthy during its most sensitive growth stage. It repels many pests and reduces the risk of diseases, which means fewer problems later when the plant starts developing fully. Mix everything well until you get a consistent solution. Then strain it and dilute it with another liter of water. Use this mixture to water your seedlings around the roots. Don't overdo it, just lightly moisten the soil. After just a few days, you'll see the difference. The leaves become darker, the plant starts growing faster, and the seedlings finally gain the strength they were missing. If this helped you, like the video so more people can see it, and share it with someone who has a garden. See you in the next video.